Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to continue with the official Dmat PDF for the core module. In the Dmat class 1 and 2 we have discussed some questions related to figure sequences, some rules, some basic questions and rules. And now we are going to discuss 6 levels of figure sequences questions. You are going to get at least 20 questions related to these sequences. So let's move ahead. What they are talking about here. For the task type figure sequences, there are 6 exercises available, 2 each in the difficulty levels low, medium, high. On the following pages, you can see the solution including the solution paths. Practice with these exercises without taking notes, as you will not have any helping tools available to you in the exam either. Means you won't be getting any pen notes, anything. Everything you have to do it in your mind only. Maximum 75 seconds you will be getting for one question. So we have learned some rules in the last class that I have explained thoroughly. That first rule, that figures can change their color alternately, and figures can rotate around their own axis, like 90-degree it can rotate. Figures can move in the matrix vertical, horizontal, diagonal movement. If it is going diagonal, then it will come bounce back again diagonally. It will not go horizontally or vertically. As well as we have discussed this rule that any figure can take one step, two step, three step further, can skip the boxes, and figures cannot disappear or overlap. Any figure in the box that can't disappear, or there won't be like two figures in one box. Figures cannot leave the matrix. There would be always a figure in a box. If they come up again a outer boundary, whenever they are come up again a outer boundary like this, okay, they can either bounce off, bounce off, or they can move along the outer boundary. For example, if you throw a tennis ball here, it will bounce back into the opposite direction. Or if like there, I have given example of an ant. If something is going, like ant is going moving ahead, moving according to the edge of the table, it will move along the outer boundary like this. So whenever it comes to the outer boundary, it will either bounce back, or it will either go according to the path, according to the path. So if there is this type of shape, it always bounce back. If there is a like arrow type of shape, it will move according to the boundary, outer boundary. So these are the rules that we have discussed thoroughly. You can watch Dmat class 2 for the basic information. Now move ahead with this question here. Just a moment, 1 second. Yeah, I think you are able to see the screen properly. So exercise 1, difficulty level low. So there is one shape here. So it moves up here, and then in the same column, because it hit the outer boundary, so it, in the same column, it will bounce back. I have already told you that if this is this shape, like that, you can say a diamond type of shape is there, then it will bounce back either horizontally or either vertically. So here it goes up, in the same column, and then it will move back, bounce back in the same column here, and then again here, and then the next same column. This is the answer for the image 1, matrix 1. And after that, if it will bounce back vertically, it will also bounce up vertically like an elevator. So elevator, it will go up again. So from here, it will go here. So find the second matrix where it is. Yeah, here, the same column C2. So the answer would be matrix 1 and 2. First matrix 1 and then this is matrix 2. So the answer is matrix 1 for the first image, matrix 2 for the second image. So in very easy language, if I have to solve this question in maximum 50 seconds, what are the rules that you have to follow in your exam? I'm going to explain it again to you for your better information here, that there is a diamond type of shape. Okay, whenever this type of shape, it will, when it goes to the edge of the matrix, like here, outer matrix, it will either move horizontally or it will either move vertically. It will bounce back. But now here it is like this in the second column, column wise, so it will move, bounce back, and then it will come to the second, third, and then fourth box of second column, and then it will again bounce up, same vertical row like an elevator. So the second this, so image 1, answer is matrix 1. This is a matrix 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and here the second image answer is matrix 2. So now moving ahead with the next question here. This was the easiest question. Yeah, difficulty level low here. So here there is a, you can say, square type of image is there. So what is happening here that we have to learn? I have already told you, if there is a diagonal type of path for the figure, it will come back again to that path. It will not go up down. Okay, so here it goes to the diagonal path, then again it will come back to the diagonal path. So from here it will go here, and then it will go here. When it come back again, it will go here. So this is the answer for the matrix. Answer for this figure, this box is matrix 3. And when it comes here again, it will move back again like this. So from here it will go to here again. So from here it will go here. So we have to find that box. This is, so the answer is matrix 3 and matrix 2. So that you have to remember diagonal path, how it will come across the matrix. It will go up, it will go down according to the diagonal path. Now move to the next question. Difficulty level medium. And one thing that you have to remember, point of elimination, POE method. If you find 2, 3, if you have 3, 4 figures, if you find 3 or 2 figures path, then you can easily like eliminate other options as well. So we are going to try to do here some questions. So just a minute. So here, first of all, there is a path of a arrow. Arrow is changing color. Okay, it's black to, you can say, violet color. So here, then here, then here, then here. Okay. So it is basically moving like this. Okay, like this. Clockwise direction. Clockwise direction it is moving. And you are able to see here it is skipping one box. Here one box, then again one box, then again, then here again one box, then here, then again one box here. And if the color is changing, now the color would be black. So skip one box and color is changing. So this is the correct or this is the correct option. Both are the correct option here in both the boxes. This would be eliminated. Now come to the diagonal path here. So the diagonal path is here. Just a minute. Is moving anti-clockwise. Sorry, this is a diamond. So whatever the figure it is, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, whatever the figure it is, it's a pentagon. Basically 5 sides are there, quadrilateral you can say. So here the figure is moving anti-clockwise. So this basically this figure is moving anti-clockwise from here to here, then again here, then the next part would be here. So again these two options are correct. Okay, then again we have another third figure, that is this. It is moving into 90-degree shape in the same box, like 90-degree it is moving. The next figure that would be like this. You can just create it like a wheel. So this is correct. This is correct. So this is eliminated. Now moving further, we know that the next figure for this is L. This is correct. Okay. Now here, from here, when it is on the outer boundary, it will move back here. So this is the correct option. This is also correct here. Now we have to check this arrow. This arrow we have to check. This is wrong. This is here. It is moving one step ahead and the color is changing. So the answer for this and this is matrix 2. Matrix 2. Now we are going to come to the next question, fourth question here. Okay. In the fourth question, first of all, this shape is there, it is moving diagonally, so it will again move diagonally. From here, if it is moving diagonally, it will come down. If it is moving diagonally, it will move like this. If it is moving like this, from the end path, if it is moving like this, it will go like this. From here, this side, because we can't move the diagonal like this, diagonal would be in the opposite direction, same direction we can't move. So here, that is the correct option for this figure. Now move to the next figure, that is a purple figure here, square. So here square is how square is moving or how this arrow is moving. Arrow is moving like this. Outer, when it hit the outer boundary, it comes to here, and now it will come here. So after this point, it would be like this. Here it would be like this. Yeah, that is also okay. Now we have to find basically, so this is wrong, this is also wrong, so this is correct. With the point of elimination, we have two figures correct, and obviously third would be also correct. Now move ahead here. So after this diagonal movement, if it comes to here, it will come here. So it come here. In all the three figures, it come here. And if it was like this arrow, then it will come like this. It will come like this. This is also correct. Both are correct. Now this is incorrect. We have to find this figure. Basically here, there is one pattern, that is like figure is moving left, up, right, then bottom, then again left. So here left, up, right, then bottom, then it will move left. So this is the pattern that this figure is following. So the answer is matrix 1 is correct, matrix 3 is correct. Now move to the next question here. So basically, first of all, we have to learn this figure, this figure in alternate color. Basically, it is like a wheel. First part of wheel, then second part of wheel, then third part of wheel, then fourth part of wheel. Up, down, first up, then down, then right, then again up. So after this figure, there would be left. Okay, this is the total sequence that we are following. So after this color, obviously the next color would be red only. So this is a red color, and in the both all the three figures, red color is in the same position. So obviously this figure destination is fixed, that we don't even have to find. Now let's move to the next here, that is this figure, that is diagonal. After diagonal it will move again back. So from here to here it will move. So it is moving. This is also same in the third, all three figures. That is okay. Now the change is in this shape, like this, this, this 90 degree. When it is going to move 90 degree, the next would be like this and this. So if we are going to move 90 degree, the next figures would be this and this. Okay, this and this, these are also same. Okay, only this triangle that we have to find how it is moving. It is moving, there is a basically a rule how it is moving. It is moving one step, then two step, then three step, like this. One step, then skip two step, then we have skipped three step, then it's here, then we are going to skip four step, then it would be here. Four step, it would be here. So this is also correct. So third option is basically correct here, matrix 3. And in the same type, this is moving up, down, right, left, then the again color, that would be black. From here it will move like this. This is the pattern now of this shape. Here, here, here. From here it will move like this only. So that is correct. And then from the diagonal, if that is a diagonal and it is coming here, it will again move back, then it will come here. That is also correct. So all the shapes are correct here. So this is a matrix 3. I'm going to repeat this question again if you are not able to understand. This is a difficulty level high question. So just give me a moment. In 50 seconds, we are going to solve this question again. First of all, look at this figure. Here, the pattern is like this, and then this, and then this. It is repeating like this. Okay. And you know that in all the three options, the position is fixed. So obviously this would be the ultimate position. That is fixed now. And then now, again, we know that in the next, okay, we are going to solve firstly the first matrix only, first image only. Now come to the triangle. Here we have skipped one box. Then we are going to skip second box, two boxes. Here position would be there. Then we are going to skip three boxes, position would be there. Then we are going to skip four boxes, so position would be here. So for the triangle, we are changing the position by 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes skip. So that is also correct here. This is correct. And then moving further, when we are going to change 1, 2, 3, the position would be here 4. Now we are going to solve this diagonal shape. Diagonal is moving like this, then it will come back here, then it will come back here, then again it will come back here, then again it will move like this. So it is moving like this, then it come back here. So yeah, it will come back here, from here to here, then it will go up, then obviously from here it will go up, from here to here in the third box. Now we have solved all the points, and this is rotating like this only. It will rotate like this when we are going to solve 90 degree. 90 degree. So this is the option that is correct. Again, it is moving up and down. We know that the position is fixed, but we know that from this position it will, next position would be like this and the color would change. So the next position is this. This is also same. These options are eliminated. And the position here, we are going to skip some triangle, some skip some steps, and again it will come here. This position is fixed. We know that the position would be fixed here only. So this is also correct. From here diagonal will go up here. So answer is matrix 3 and matrix 3. Sometimes we just have to eliminate the wrong options point by point of elimination, or we have to check the fixed position. Now come to the next question. First of all, we are going to solve we are going to solve triangle here. We can solve a triangle. Here the triangle is basically yellow color, then it skip one step, then it is in a green color, then it skip two step, then it is in a yellow color, then it will skip again and it would be here. Three parts here. The position is fixed here. You don't even have to check. The position is fixed here. So we know that this is the position. We don't have to solve this. The position is fixed here. We don't have to solve this. Next. Where is the position fixed? This, this, and this. We don't have to solve it. Now, these are the two positions that are fixed, and here. So here it is like up, up, it goes up, then it will bounce back and it is changing the direction. If it is like this and here this and then again this and then again this, it would be like this. It is repeating the pattern, this, 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 and then again this. So basically it is L only. So the only position factor that will decide the answer, that is this. So here it is moving like this first, then again up, then again up, then again up, then it will come here. Okay, it is moving like this. Yeah, so this is the position matrix 2. Now come here, this position is fixed, this position is fixed, we don't have to solve it. This position is also fixed, we have to solve this position, this, that will decide. So here one thing that you have to remember, very important point, here the arrow is moving with the one specific rule, especially normally arrow is moving like 90 degree like this, then again this, then again this, but now check the pattern here. First of all, it is diagonally, then it will come again back. So first arrow is this, then 90 degree change, then it skip this part, it move 2 times 90 degree, and after that it will obviously move back to the diagonal. It skip 3 parts, 3 times 90 degree, it will go here. When it skip 4 times 90 degree, it will come to the same position here. So basically here we know that the answer would be matrix 2. So basically the answer is this, matrix 1. So these rules that you have to follow, we have completed thoroughly all the 6 questions. Yeah, all 6 questions are completed. So if you have to take the notes, what are the notes that I would recommend? One thing, that color, shapes can change its color, alternate color, alternatively it can change its color. Diagonal, figure, movement, that you have to remember that rule. Even like 90 degree, how figure is moving, that you have to remember. Otherwise these questions are easy. I'm going to give you PDF for the homework as well for the same related questions. You have to solve that and check your answers. So first topic is completed here from the official PDF. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment, as well as please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.